Today, we're gonna make a quick and easy recipe, delicious homemade curly fries in your air fryer. So let's get started.
Welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and this is Jennifer.
And this is Sheila.
Yeah.
And we're back to do another fun little recipe. We got to thinking about this. We were making our Philly cheesesteak, and we said, you know, it would really be good with like some homemade curly fries or something like that. So we're like, well, let's make some homemade curly fries. So we decided we'd make some. So we got our potatoes all peeled and ready to go, and we just chopped off the edges. And this is my handy dandy little spiraler.
Yeah, she's got all kind of gadgets around this house.
I do, and you know, I love this thing because I use this for zucchini. I use it for sweet potatoes. Anything you want to spiral up, you can spiral it, you could shred it, you can do all kinds of things. It's got these little doohickeys here. What do you call them, a doohickey?
Spikes or something?
Spikes. So, and it's got this little post sticking out. You just push that potato on there, and you just clamp it off on it. You can see it comes out like little spirals. And so you just turn it. And this is really easy. I know they make a lot of handmade ones, like the little hand things, and they have electric ones. But honestly, this is the easiest one that I have ever had. And you want to break those up into French fries.
Okay.
Otherwise, that'll be the longest French fry ever.
Look how cute.
That's the longest curly fry I've ever seen.
What you could do is just let it all be one curly fry and then cut it up yourself.
And you can see it just leaves this cute little thing in the middle, but you don't use that part. But anyways, and then you just scrape it off. So you've got your potato. You just stick it right on the little post sticking out here. And you try to make it, just make sure it's level as possible. You slide that in. And you turn. And there's hardly any effort to it at all. So if you've got bad wrists or anything like that, you won't have a problem using this.
Or if you're bored or
Or you're just bored and you want to spiral something in the kitchen.
or if you're angry about something, it's going to be a good day for it.
Look at all that.
I'm going to get a perm put in my hair like this.
Somebody was asking me about this the other day. I think I found this at the grocery store. I had a little hand twisting one, just one that you like turn, and it was hurt my wrist, and I was like, I gotta find something a little easier. So this is a lot easier for me, and it makes a lot very quickly.
Yes, it does.
And it's dishwasher safe.
It'd be dishwasher safe for me anyway because I don't use a dishwasher.
That's true. Sheila doesn't use dishwasher.
I hate
She
the
washes
dishwasher.
everything by hand. She's like my mom. Another thing is it sticks to the it sticks to the thing. So you can like get that thing off. It doesn't slide around on you because it's got these little suction cups on the bottom, and it's really handy. I just take a brush to clean it, and these pieces all come apart, and you can easily just wash it up. This slides out, and it's dishwasher safe. Okay, so we've got olive oil. Olive oil. You can use any kind of oil you want. So I'm gonna just sprinkle this in, and we're just gonna get messy. I'm gonna get messy now.
Get messy.
Yeah, get messy. Just enough to coat so that your seasoning and everything will stick to these potatoes. So in here we have garlic salt and garlic powder, and I'm gonna let Sheila just kind of sprinkle that in. When I keep my messy hands in there, just kind of lightly sprinkle that in.
Okay.
And all over. And we want to make sure we get that coated on everything. All right, so we've got some chili powder and some salt and pepper, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of that. Oh, and also a little bit of paprika you can put in there for color. And, you know, it's up to you how much seasoning you want to put. If you don't like a lot of seasoning, that's okay. And then, of course, we have our grated Parmesan, and we're just going to sprinkle that. I might as well just stay messy, Sheila. I'll just stay over here and keep the mess going. So we're just going to get all that grated Parmesan on there, get it ready to go. Now, you can do these in the oven, or you can do them in the air fryer. We're going to do them in the air fryer today because it's just as easy for us to do that, but it takes about the same amount of time. And I think we're ready to put them in the air fryer. All right, so we've got our air fryer here in our basket. We have the little draining thing. We're just going to dump this entire thing right on in here. And just make sure they're all spread out. And this is going to go on for 20 minutes, but we're going to open this up in between and make sure we flip these over a little bit so that they're not just the one side, because the air fryers cook from the top down. So we'll want to flip them over a couple times in between with some tongs, and we're just going to put that back in. I really love my air fryer. We're going to put it on 400 degrees. And I'm going to do 10 minutes, and then I'm going to flip them over, and we're going to do another 10 minutes. And you can see those are browning up really nice. And we're just going to flip those around a little bit. Flip them over so that it all cooks. And we're going to turn it on for another 4 minutes or so. Look, they're getting all crispy and brown. Doesn't that look good?
Looks real good.
So that was another 4 minutes. We're gonna do another, I'd say I'll try another 4 minutes and then we'll see where we're at. So we're gonna put this on 400 for another 4 minutes. See where we're at. Okay, so we're back.
Yes, and look at these curly fries.
Yeah, they were only in there for about 18 minutes on my air fryer on 400 degrees. And that was plenty for me on this particular air fryer. Your model might be a little different. And remember, you could always do these in the oven too. On 400 to 425 for about 20 minutes would be all you would need in the oven. And you could spread them out. But these look so good. They got little crunchies and soft and everything. And it's all seasoned.
Yes.
Let's have a little bit. Look.
Yes.
Doesn't that look good? We've got some ketchup here if you want some ketchup. And
we're just pulled off. I don't have to make no faces.
No, no faces. Uh-huh. Mmm. Yeah, it's so good. We can make a meal out of this ourselves. Mm-hmm. Heck, you could make like chili cheese fries and all kinds of stuff. Your kids are gonna love these. Your family's gonna love these. So definitely want to try these out.
I love these.
She loves these. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media.
Yes.
We got Miss Sheila's Shotgun Red page. You can find me at Jennifer Bruce Music. All of our links are right below this video, along with all the recipes, of course, are always right down below, and we have our website. Mm-hmm. And Sheila has got all the world famous Shotgun Red dolls on there, and we've got the Shotgun Red DVDs still on there available. And we have some other news coming up, and you'll want to join our free membership because people have been asking us
over and over and over about this.
Are we going to release a cookbook for cooking with Shotgun Red? And yes, Steve started a cookbook and we're finishing it, and we do plan on releasing it this year. So you'll want to join our free membership or sign up and like and follow us on Facebook or any of our social media sites, and you will hear about it first there. If this is not the best
air fryer
Parmesan
curly fries,
if it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye. I'm going to have some more.
Try some more. Press some more.
I'm going to have some more. Yay.
Hey, toast.
Toast. Mm-hmm.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.